Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now click install. And click open. Now you can click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Then click here on AI assistant and then you can click back. Now you can click start, and as you can see, here is my ChatGPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.